by, their stories untold. Every station a new world, daring and bold. I'm a stitch in the journey, a thread on the line. Every second ticking feels more divine.